is there. They want to forget the whole incident of Hiroshima. I have seen in India we celebrated it, but for the families of the victims, nobody goes to Hiroshima now. We must have somebody who knows the pulse of this country. Mahesh must be knowing it, I take it. Mahesh, you will contradict me, is there anything wrong? Huh?
Yeah, basically, it is changing times after Hiroshima. What they have seen is they have lost faith in military, and there was a transformation from military to civil kind of government. And they put nation building into a different perspective in terms of industrialization. And in the last 60 years, they have conquered the world industrially. So there has been a shift in paradigm, and in that process what has happened is the religious impact and the military impact both went down. And now what you see is a Japan which is more like an industrial nation without any religious belief.
But problem with this industrial nation is they are basically trading nation. No raw material, therefore trading is the main business.
Yes.
If that is so, of course you must have heard of it. They had a brain trust here, appointed a commission. Anil Kakodkar met me at the airport. He gave me the conclusion of that. His conclusion of the brain trust report was, we are manufacturing artificial wisdom, we are manufacturing artificial needs.
Yeah.
These two things they want to develop. Therefore, basically it is export-oriented market.
Yeah.
Secondly, one thing you must have noticed, a Japanese will normally not purchase anything which is not made in Japan.
Yes, they are very nationalistic.
You may call it nationalist, I call it the guaranteed market.
Yeah.
Which we had said about khadi.
Yes.
जो काटेगा वो पहनेगा, जो पहनेगा वो काटेगा.
Yeah.
That means we have a guaranteed market to that extent.
Yes.
That they have achieved. But apart from this, two things you must have noticed, that the persons from other countries are not very welcome.
No. This is an island nation.
Island nation, but since yesterday, Manish told me, but I am noticing,
थोड़ा सा उसमें
बहुत
केयरफुल रहना चाहिए.
कोई अलग चीज का नेशन डेवलप हो रहा है. Therefore, the agony will be of the developing nations immediately. But they want to develop in which side? Only industry?
No, basically what has happened is Japan has gone into a very unidirectional industrialization. What happens is that if you talk about the major powers, they have the political power, they have the cultural, and they have the industrial banks, everything. In Japan, it's only the industries which have become international and power globally. Whereas here politics and other aspects, education is very, very domestic. So
Even education is domestic?
yeah, everything is domestic. Even people in other industries, they don't know what is happening outside Japan. Even in banks, when I work in Japanese banks, I see that there are a lot of opportunities for Japanese bank to become global and to become world leaders, but because they have this very domestic attitude, they are not able to catch up with the rest of the world.
How it is developing in the education?
Education, Japanese education, it is very, very Japanese way, and it is...
So what is the Japanese way? Because when I travel practically whole of the Japan, up to that hillock, where those Buddhist monks are living, sects are here also I visited the main priest last time.
Yes.
Because it was the Fiji Guruji who had donated these 3 monkeys to Gandhi.
Yes.
He alone fought against the nuclear war. You must be knowing, he practically he went on the Satyagraha before the United Nations building years together alone.
Yes.
On one side you find that. And now according to you, even after, there are religious people, it's not that, but which is the sect now is coming up? Apart from Buddha, Christians?
So there is Shinto religion, which is again a majority after Buddhism.
Buddhism.
Sorry, which religion?
Shinto, the king's religion.
But what is that? Shinto religion means believe in what? With God.
They have the shrines, so there is no. आपल्या मस्जिद सारखं आहे. Shrines.
Proofs.
It's very interesting. The way of protest is overproduction.
Oh.
So when the labor force is having unrest, हमारे यहाँ tool down होता है इंडिया में. इधर tool up होता है. क्या करते हैं? ओवर प्रोडक्शन कर देते हैं तो मालिक की इन्वेंट्री बढ़ जाती है तो उसका नुकसान हो जाता है. दिस इज अनदर वे ऑफ प्रोटेस्ट.
बट इधर तो फिर एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड ही नेशन हो गया.
बहुत ज़्यादा कौन सा है? बजट सरप्लस है.
बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड इज
बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड.
ह्यूज सरप्लस.
दूसरा एजुकेशन कितना है? एजुकेटेड पीपल
100%.
100%. Classification, rich, middle class, poor.
And this is also one of the very good example of uniform distribution of wealth.
Distribution.
If you look at any person, you don't feel that he is poor because looking at his clothes and living standards.
Third thing is culturally how they spend their evenings.
Culturally, they have slightly gone bad.
टोटली
Family culture has gone bad. That is leading to now less.
अगर एक आदमी घर जल्दी आ जाता है
हाँ.
तो उसकी बीवी उससे सवाल करती है कि तुम जल्दी क्यों आए, ये पड़ोसी के सामने मुंह दिखाने लायक नहीं रहता. तो वो काम खत्म होने के बाद भी वो रेस्टोरेंट में बैठा रहेगा, शराब पिएगा या दोस्तों के साथ रहेगा, लेकिन घर लेट जाएगा. नहीं तो उसके मोहल्ले में बीवी की इज्जत खराब है. सही है ना?
बहुत ट्रू है. बेसिकली मैं टाटा इनपुटिंग में था ना, तो मेरे मैनेजर इंडियन मोहन गोपाल, बट उनकी बच्ची उनको ऐसे ही बोलती थी, कभी घर जल्दी मत आना, नहीं तो मेरी इज्जत खराब हो जाएगी, क्योंकि तेरे पापा जो है काम चोर है.
The next question now, Mahesh, what type of culture you want to develop in the school?
Culturally, we are developing Indian culture.
What is that?
Indian culture based on the Indian family values and Indian heritage.
Well, Buddhism believes in 2 things. One was non-violence. Another was practically मूर्ति पूजक तो नहीं थे, लेकिन दुनिया में मैक्सिमम मूर्ति बुद्ध की है. मैक्सिमम. कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन बहुत है. तो स्कूल का कल्चर का मतलब क्या करेंगे? मैं तो 2 ही कल्चर पर बिलीव करता हूँ. एक त्याग पर आधारित, दूसरी भोग पर आधारित. अब इनका अगर भोग पर आधारित कल्चर होगा तो इंडियन कल्चर जो सैक्रिफाइस पर आधारित है उसको कैसा डेवलप करोगे?
कैसा है? व्हाट इज दिस? फैमिली बेस्ड कल्चर.
भोग पर आधारित तामसी कल्चर की तरफ जाता है.
हाँ, तामसी कल्चर की तरफ जाता है.
पिछले 60 सालों में इतना ज़्यादा प्रगति कर लिया इंडस्ट्रियली कि they have got accustomed to changes.